Hello guys, my name is Balakrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with BK. So if you are an ICSE class 10 computer application student and you will be appearing for your boards exam on March 18, 2026, then this video is for you. So guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of my newly created website and I'll show you what all content I have added, what all study resources I have added for ICSE class 10 computer applications students. So the name of my channel is Code with BK, and so all you have to do is type codewithbk.com and it will take you to my website. So hi, I'm Balakrishna Srivastava. Let's get coding. So we'll have a lot of programming content coming up, but for now the focus is on ICSE and ICSE boards. All right. Okay, so I'll click on ICSE class 10 and all resources for ICSE class 10 computer applications is here. Okay, so we have multiple types of content. We have concepts and theory, we have practice questions, detailed solutions, video tutorials, video solutions, and solve previous year's papers, both boards and specimen papers. Okay, so I'm going to start with first most important is last 10 years solve boards exam paper. So when you click on it, it will take you to the list of all the last 10-year boards answer keys. Okay, all right. So 2025 boards answer key is free. The others are available with a premium access. 2016 to 2024 are available with a premium access. You click on this, you can purchase and you can have premium access. Okay, I'll come to why this is a premium access in a minute. Let me just take you through the answer key first. Okay, I click on this and this is the answer key. Now I have coded this in a way so that you can go through the question and the answer key together. So if you scroll the question, you say character class methods are found in the package. Question on part 1, it is B java.lang. Similarly for part 2, answer is C122 and so on. Okay, you go to question 2. Okay, all right. First part is write Java expression which is given. All right, second part and so on. Okay, each of this question is solved by me in detail. All right, so you can rest assured that this is totally entirely correct. So you can scroll down and you can comment as well. Okay, and you can always ask your doubts here as well, and I'll know that if you are subscribed, I need to answer you. Okay, all right. So coming back to the answer key, going to section B, question 3, which is about creating this class cloud storage, and the entire code for class cloud storage correctly is given here. Going to the next question, we have 4 into 4 integer array, print the norm of the array. Okay, question 4, full code. Okay, question 5, full code. Question 6 is about binary search, full code. Question 7, okay, about method overloading, full code. And then question 8 is about largest and smallest digit, full code. Okay, all right. Similarly, ICSE 2025 specimen answer key is free. So you can scroll the question on the right and you can scroll the answer key on the left. Okay, you might have to log in to access the answer key, but it is free. All right, it is available for free. It is written. Okay, you might just have to log in. Creating an account on this website is very simple. I'll show you that at the end of the video. You can use Google login, click on login with Google and it will work for you. Don't worry. Okay, now to each question, there is a link to step-by-step detailed solution to all the questions in all the answer keys. Okay, that's how I've coded and designed it. All right, so let me just take you to question 1, step-by-step solution. Now detailed solutions for all boards papers are available with a premium access which you can get access here. Okay, I'll just come in a moment on why this is a premium access. Let me just show you a sample detailed solution. So ICSE 2025 specimen answer key is free. You click on this, okay, and it will take you to how we solve section A question 1. Okay, the reasoning for all the parts chosen. Okay, again, if you have any doubt, you don't understand the part, you can add a comment here. Okay, and I'll reply. All right, going back to this answer key. Okay, let's go to this objective style questions. Okay, explaining on why we reached to an answer. If you have any doubt, click on it and I'll reply. Okay, all right, going back to the answer key and let's click on a section B question. Okay, so you can see this entire problem is explained in detail. You have a question and image as well. And the entire problem is explained in detail on what is the observation, what is the structure of this class. In this case, the structure is given class question 3 boards paper structure is given. You just have to code it, and then coding step by step, accepting input, calculating rate and amount, displaying the output, main method, all the nodes, sample input, output, edge cases, and the final code below. So if you want to just copy the final code, click on copy. If you download, click on download. Okay, and you can simply click copy. Okay, from here you can navigate to any other question. So I go to question 5 string operation. Okay, and you get a detailed solution for this question. Now detailed solutions for Specimen 2025 are free and you can have a look at them. Detailed solutions, okay, for all the other ICSE boards papers are available with a premium access which you can purchase. Okay, so let me just go back to detailed solutions. So these are all the answer keys and this is how the answer key is going to be shown. Okay, going to detailed solutions part. Okay, I have listed all the questions for the last 10 years. Okay, the ones for Specimen are free. You can go to a Specimen question. Okay, this is how this is being solved. Okay, all right, and you can click on this assess all detailed solutions. Okay, so there are two packages available for ICSE class 10 computer application students. One is 499, the other is 899. 899 includes the 499 package. For 499 you get access to last 10 years answer keys. For 899 package you get 10 years answer keys plus the detailed solutions. Okay, both of it. All right, now coming to the question on why this is paid, why there is a price attached. So there is a price attached for ISC as well. Okay, I'm going to answer this in two parts. First answer is for you people, for the students. The second answer is for the parent. Parents should know the guy they are paying, right? Okay, so for you people, my first point is that I've been teaching here on YouTube for over 7 years now. I started in 2018. So if you go to my channel, okay, CodeWithBK, you see I started in 2018 with 400 some plus videos, out of which some 100 videos are for ICSC. Okay, I also have a corresponding Hindi channel as well. Okay, on which I have added some 40-50 videos for ICSC, a total of 250 videos. Okay, so I'm telling about my YouTube channels because I have been doing this for some time now. I did not decide yesterday, okay, I want to do this. Okay, I do this out of interest. Okay, on YouTube I have not made a single penny. I have uploaded so many videos and I really don't care. That's okay. I've helped so many students. But this website is an enterprise level product. There is a lot of effort. I've created this by zero. There's a lot of effort that it takes to create this entire architecture, the coding part, the design part. I have authored the content from zero. I've checked everything by myself, and after that it is all live now. Okay, continuing my answer to the students on why this is paid. So all you have to do is go to about us. Okay, all right, first thing, I was 98.4% and I was first in the entire city. So I know how boards paper work, and this was without any coaching and all. I did it all by myself. I knew what to do, I knew how to prepare, and I knew how to answer questions. Okay, if you want to verify this, go to this link. Okay, I've saved this link because it's the memory as well. There's some Times of India link. I refresh this. Okay, you see Balakrishna Srivastava 98.4% ICSE, and the date is 20th May 2009. Okay, and has topped his school and stands as ICSE city topper. Okay, you can check out this link first, and then I had 100 in computer applications. Okay, so this is my answer to the first part to the students on why this is paid. Okay, coming to the second part, the answer for your parents is you go to about us, which is on the footer. You click on this link. It will take you to my profile where I have been active for the past 6-7 years. I joined October 2018, 7.5 years now, 7 years now. Okay, and this is where I teach students from all around the world. Okay, so you see I get paid in dollars. Okay, the only reason I'm sharing this is to tell your parents that coding has been my bread and butter. I've made all my money coding, teaching how to code, consulting on projects for the past 8-10 years. Okay, and this is just one profile. There are other profiles as well. So you can scroll down, you can find reviews. Okay, or you can simply Google Balakrishna Srivastava code mentor and you will find this profile. Okay, so this is me trying to answer why is there a price attached to both the packages, both the 4.9 and 8.9 package, all right, to the students and to the parents. Okay, I went to Pilani because I had a horrible JEE paper. I had some 6K rank. I was very disappointed. There is no excuse for it. I was just disappointed, so I did not even sit in the counseling. Could have gotten some IT. I said no. I went to Pilani. I had my decent set of learnings in Pilani. Okay. And since graduation, since 2017, I've been teaching coding, computer programming online to students all over the world. Okay. Now going back to ICSE homepage. Yeah. Okay. Concepts and practice questions are free. Okay. Detailed solutions are available with a premium access of 899. Okay. All these detailed solutions, not just one or two, all solutions for the past 10 years. Okay, so let me just take you through a concept so you can find all concepts here. Okay, I will keep adding more and more. A very nominal amount of concepts were added so that the testing and everything should work, and it works fine. For example, if you want to understand what how scan and extend works, there is a very detailed explanation of how scan and extend works. Okay, all right, entirely authored by me, edited by me. Next versus next, next in versus next line. Okay, okay, and from the top you can go back to say all concepts in theory. If you want to say learn about how to compare strings, okay, detailed in detail again. Okay, let's just take a look at practice questions. There are multiple practice questions for you. For example, if I go to say find HCF, okay, again in very detail, okay, and you can find the final code. If there are multiple ways to solve a problem, there will be multiple files. You can copy code, okay, you can download, okay, you can download all, okay, and if you feel there is a doubt, you can always comment. Okay, comments are available to all kinds of posts. Okay, for example, if I go to a concept as well, say do while loop, okay, because you do get a question about do while loops, okay, you can add a comment here as well. Okay, and I'll always reply, don't worry about that. Okay, I am the admin of this place, I'll reply. Okay, then there are video tutorials. Video tutorials are basically all the videos that I have added on YouTube that are for ICSE, both Hindi and English. All you have to do is type whatever you want to search, say string, and there are Hindi and English videos. Okay, similarly we have video solutions. Now video solutions are solutions that I solved on YouTube. Okay, they are linked here, and obviously I could not solve everything. Whatever I have solved in the past these many years, it is all here. Okay, for example, for ICSE 2025 boards, these are all the video solutions. If you want a quick review, you don't want to go through the entire video, you can click on written explanation and it will take you to the written explanation. It is available with a premium access. Detailed solutions, solved papers are available with a premium access. Let's go back. Okay, say ICSE 2025 specimen. 2025 specimen detailed solutions are for free. So you can click on it, it will take you to the detailed solution for this problem. Okay, you can find the final code and then you can comment as well. Okay, final code for all section B programs for all ICSE papers are given. Okay, once you get access to the package, all the detailed solutions will be available. All right, and on, for example, if you are on ICSE class 10 computer applications boards 2025 solutions, you can navigate to any question. Okay, similarly, when you are on ICSE class 10th boards exam papers, okay, click on answer key, you can go to any other answer key. Okay, scroll the question on the left and answer key on the right. Okay, if you want to go to any particular questions step-by-step detailed solution, say for question 4 in this case, you click on question 4, it will take you to specimen question 4, okay, the answer key from which we came. Okay, so this video was about ICSE class 10 computer applications content that I have added on my website. Okay, a lot more content will be added, free and paid both. Concepts and practice will be free for your exams. Maybe for the next year's exam 2027 it may be paid, but I don't think I'll keep it paid. I will add revision packs on what you are supposed to do when your exams are very near. I will also add the important set of questions that you must do when you are preparing for exam, the final exam tips, the mistakes that you should avoid, and definitely the presentation. Okay, all right, so guys, go through this website, take a look, find codewithbk.com. okay, so guys, do check it out and do let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.